text effect. New Canva great feature. Let's see how we can enter the text and try this text effect. We will search for text maker. So let's come back to Canva homepage. We can click social media and let it be Facebook post. Click create blank. Now let's go to the left side menu, click apps and enter text maker. We will choose this one app, click on it and click open. Now we can enter the text. For example, I'm entering canvalove. Now we see how our text look. We see effects. We can click see all and we see a lot of effects. We can choose a theme. For example, let's see 3D. We see how it looks. We can choose any we want. For example, I'm choosing this one. And now we can adjust. We can adjust settings. We see that we can choose the font. We see how it looks. Let's try another one. Yes. Next, we can adjust text alignment, line height, letter spacing. And we can adjust the color. Click on the color and we see fill colors. If we want to adjust, we can click on it. And now we see the color shades. We can click on the color and we can change it. For example, we can choose other color. We can click next color. If we want delete, we can click recessive bill and we can delete the colors. And let's search for other color. We can adjust. Now we can see how it looks. If we want to add more colors, so we can just adjust and click twice and we can add other color. Now let's look. So we can play with colors, shades. We can choose outline color. We see it is yellow. We can go to the color and we can change it. So click on the color and we can adjust it. Now we can see how it looks. So we can adjust all the colors. We see shadows colors, 3 depth colors. When it suits us, we can click add to design. We can adjust size and we can go back to the typography and we can see how other effect looks. For example, I'm choosing this one. If I like and I don't adjust the colors, I can just click add to design. That's great, yes? If we want to adjust, we can click on the color and we can search for color we want. We can adjust shadow. And if we want, we can adjust 3 depth colors. So we see gradient. And when it suits us, we can click add to design. I hope you like this quick tutorial with text maker. If you want to know more about the magical functions and possibilities of Canva, come to my latest Canva course. We'll cover a lot of Canva's Pro features, but I'll show you a bunch of tricks on how we can do this with free Canva. Now there is a big promotion and the price is only €11. See you!